Today in this video, I will show you why your Windows PC feels slow, even when you have enough RAM installed. There's a hidden memory behavior running in the background that most people never touch, and it's quietly causing FPS drops, micro stutters, and random lag. If your system starts smooth but suddenly feels heavy during gaming, this is exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Watch till the end, hit like and subscribe, and let's fix it. So guys, Windows can allocate RAM in a way that favors background system caching instead of active applications, which makes your games feel heavy and unresponsive. This is the part nobody explains, because your memory might not look full, but it's not being used efficiently. Open the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator so you can modify system-level memory policies. Once the Registry Editor opens, move your cursor to the address bar at the top. Copy the exact path from the video description, paste it there, and press Enter to jump directly to the memory management location without manually browsing through folders. Now look on the right side panel and find the value called Large System Cache. Double-click it and set its value data to 0. This ensures Windows prioritizes application memory usage instead of reserving excessive RAM for system-level file caching. This prevents the OS from aggressively caching data that can push active game memory out of focus. Next, find the value named Disable Paging Executive. Double-click it and set its value data to 1. This forces Windows to keep kernel and driver components in physical RAM instead of paging them to disk under pressure. Keeping these critical components in memory reduces latency spikes caused by memory swapping during gameplay. After making both changes, close the Registry Editor and restart your PC so the updated memory policies fully apply. With these adjustments, RAM is allocated more intelligently toward active applications. This helps reduce sudden FPS drops and random stutters caused by inefficient memory handling. Alright guys, Windows can build up a massive standby memory list over time, and this is one of the biggest reasons your PC starts feeling slow even when Task Manager shows free RAM available. This hidden buildup is exactly why your system feels heavy after long sessions. First, download RAM Map. You can grab it directly from my official Discord server. The link is in the description. Once it's downloaded, open the application and wait for it to fully scan your current memory usage. Now click on the Empty menu at the top, then select Empty Standby List. This instantly clears the cached standby memory that Windows has been holding in reserve. By doing this, you're forcing the system to release stale cached pages so active applications can access RAM without delay. Now, while you're still inside the Empty menu, click on Empty Working Sets as well. This reduces unnecessary memory footprint from background applications that are still holding allocated RAM even when inactive. Clearing working sets helps rebalance memory usage and prevents background apps from slowly reclaiming RAM during gaming. Once both steps are done, close RAM Map and continue using your PC normally. You'll notice improved responsiveness, faster application switching, and smoother gameplay because memory is no longer bottlenecked by hidden standby buildup. Now guys, if you're experiencing lag spikes or high ping while gaming, a tool called Gear Up Booster can really help you out. Here's how to use it. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Up Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. So guys, Windows can aggressively combine similar memory pages in the background the process uses CPU cycles constantly. While it sounds efficient on paper, in real-world gaming, it can create background overhead that makes the system feel slightly delayed. This is the kind of hidden memory behavior that slowly eats performance without showing obvious signs in Task Manager. First, right-click the Start button and open Terminal Administrator so you can apply system-level memory changes. Once the terminal opens, copy the check command from the video description and paste it into the terminal. Then press Enter to see whether page combining is currently enabled or already disabled. Look at the result carefully. If it shows that page combining is true, that means Windows is dynamically merging memory pages in the background. Now, copy the second command from the description, paste it into the same terminal window, and press Enter to disable this behavior. After running the command, Windows will stop combining memory pages in the background. This reduces unnecessary CPU overhead and allows the processor to focus more on active applications instead of memory optimization tasks. Over time, you'll notice smoother responsiveness and more stable frame delivery during gameplay. Now guys, Windows search indexing constantly stores file metadata in memory so it can deliver instant search results. While you're gaming, that background indexing isn't helping you at all. Instead, it keeps parts of your storage activity cached in RAM and can wake the CPU unexpectedly. Open the Windows search bar and type Services, then launch the Services application. Once the window opens, scroll down and find Sysmain. Double-click it, press Stop, then change the startup type to Disabled. Sysmain aggressively preloads and caches frequently used data into memory, which sounds helpful, but during gaming, it can compete with your game for RAM and trigger unnecessary background disk activity. Disabling it prevents Windows from pre-caching applications when you need memory stability the most. Now, scroll further down and locate Windows Search. Double-click it, click Stop, and then set the startup type to Manual instead of Disabled. Setting it to Manual means the indexing service won't constantly run in the background, but it can still start when you actually perform a search. This keeps your system responsive without permanently removing search functionality, while reducing constant metadata caching that occupies memory. After applying these changes, your RAM won't be tied up by aggressive indexing or preloading tasks. The system will feel lighter, more responsive, and better suited for stable gaming performance. Alright guys, Windows background app runtime can continue holding memory allocations even after you close an app. And this is one of the hidden reasons your system feels heavier over time. That allocation slowly builds pressure on RAM, which can affect FPS stability in games. First, press Win+R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type gpedit.msc and press Enter to open the local group policy editor. Once it opens, look at the left panel and open Computer Configuration, then go inside Administrative Templates. From there, open Windows Components, scroll until you find App Privacy, and click it to view its policies. Now locate the policy called Let Windows Apps Run in the Background, and double-click it. Change the setting to Enabled, and then choose Force Deny from the available options, so Windows completely blocks background app runtime activity. This prevents suspended apps from keeping hidden memory allocations active. It forces apps to fully release RAM when they are closed, instead of staying cached in the background. The result is cleaner memory usage, faster responsiveness, and smoother gameplay over longer sessions. That's how you clear hidden RAM buildup and stop memory issues from causing FPS drops and lag. If you want smoother gameplay and zero micro stutters, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.